Verifying your identity on Thinkific is an important step to ensure secure access to your account and to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Thinkific account. Begin by navigating to the Thinkific website and logging into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile icon and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find the identity verification section. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Submit required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents for verification. This may include a government-issued ID, proof of address, or other identification as specified by Thinkific. Step 5. Confirm submission and wait for approval. After submitting your documents, confirm that your submission was successful. You may receive a confirmation email. Wait for Thinkific to review your documents and approve your identity verification, which can take a few days. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive notification of your verification status. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Thinkific support for assistance.